Dr. Atakan is a professor in the Department of Civil and Environmental Engineering at Carleton University. He's a professional engineer also, and a fellow of the Institute of Transportation Engineers, I.T.E., a fellow of the Canadian Society for Civil Engineering, and a life member of the American Society of Civil Engineers.
My remarks are going to be reflecting my background as an academic, a researcher, and an engineer. Smart infrastructure is an instrument of smart growth. It is absolutely essential so that we can support our strategic objectives of society. Now, what is it that we can expect, that we should expect from smart infrastructure? There are 5 items I'd like to offer. Number 1, a combination of efficiency, durability, we shouldn't forget that, and technologically advanced. The world around us is becoming very advanced. I gave an interview in China a couple of years ago, or 3 years ago, on precisely that particular point. How can we use technology for sustainability? It was meant only for one small TV station. It was broadcast in the whole of China. People know the importance of technology. Second point, contribution to wealth creation. Invest $1, get more from it. Definitely. Third point, does it contribute to sustainability in all aspects, meaning not just economic, not just social, but environmental as well? Fourth point, something that people forget. Can we get sustainable infrastructure to contribute self-esteem of society? What does it mean? If we have potholes, if we have infrastructure that falls down or failures, we lose comparative spirit. We are not as good as we should be. So therefore it's very, very important that we have to build up our self-esteem by using this as an instrument, as a mechanism. Fifth point, investment in smart infrastructure is to be optimized. We should not forget that. We have to, for example, if we rehabilitate on time, we maximize net benefits. If we wait longer, then in that case we are losing. If we rehabilitate ahead of time, it doesn't do very much for us. So how can we find out through our good planning and computer programs and so on, what is the best time for investment? Therefore, we have to optimize. We have to optimize. Now, there are some current signals that are around. We have to know what these are so that we can make use of them for our purposes. It's a wave that we have to ride, basically. Advanced technology and advanced intelligent technology for sustainability, as I mentioned, is now a well-accepted concept, not just in operation, in every phase, every life cycle phase of the infrastructure, be it construction, operation, maintenance, overall and rehabilitation, and overall management. It is very important. Second point, risk analysis. Risk analysis of investments in new as well as rehabilitated infrastructure. Without risk analysis, we could be investing in an irresponsible fashion, and that really is not good for us. So risk analysis is very important. Third, there's a big wave now that is around the world, everywhere, including in the US, and that is the triple P. Well, are we really doing enough in that respect? Are we paying attention as to who would like to invest in our infrastructure? In everything, not just toll roads, but public transit perhaps and so on.
I'm just going to step in there. That's okay.
Last point. Public transit push. Thank you.